Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. Today is Sunday, the 27th of October, and the moon is in Virgo. Virgo is that sort of roll up your sleeves, deal with the details, clear stuff out. Ooh, maybe I'll do some of that. I think I'm going to do some purging. I still have a whole bunch of stuff of my mother's in drawers that were her drawers. And even though it's been 2 years since she moved on to the big party in the sky that everybody had been waiting for, who was over on the other side, I used to tell her, Mom, they're all waiting for you. They all want to have a big party. She would just laugh, and she's like, I ain't going anywhere. And she hung around for quite a while. Very persistent, very funny, and very, very challenging. But yeah, so today we want to fix things with the Virgo moon, but we have an inconjunct between Mercury and Jupiter. Those are the two planets that are associated with how the mind works. Jupiter is the more expansive, sort of intuitive principle, whereas Mercury is the more logical, delineating, discerning, discriminating energy of the mind. And you guys, we're kind of on opposite. Adjustments need to be made. Let's just put it that way. Adjustments need to be made. And part of it is how we get our message out to the world. So that's part of the adjustment necessary, because we're going to see that perhaps we get some pushback from outside. It's like society pushes back, which, for us, maybe, but there are certain people who, if society pushes back, it's a good thing, right? And you know who I'm talking about. So we have a pretty chilly morning here. I'm out a little bit later because I just didn't feel like going out in the cold yet. And we can see that this tree yesterday lost quite a few of its leaves, and that's what's happening now. We're getting towards, I guess, mid-fall to late fall, and then it gets pretty barren, but still beautiful, So we have a new moon coming up on Friday. Which means that this part of the cycle, the lunation cycle, the cycle of the moon and the sun, is at its end. It's like a wrapping up phase, and so we're wrapping up. In the case of the Virgo moon, I think we're sort of fixing things or tidying things up or making the adjustments necessary, right, for things to move smoothly. So that's, I think, what the day is going to be like for most of us. But we do have very powerful new moon coming up on the 1st. That's Friday. And in the meantime, and of course, this whole lunation cycle that started with that new moon in Libra, eclipse, right, on the South Node in Libra, is a lot of releasing of old ways of relating to each other, and now looking to change and transform and move in a new direction. And of course, Pluto is moving out of Capricorn, will be out of Capricorn by the 19th of November into Aquarius for 20 years. So it is the end for certain ways of relating, certain ways of being, certain ways of ruling, and a whole new reality is coming in. And I have to say, I am pleased that the President of the United States will be Kamala Harris during this shift, because she has her hands on the pulse of this, and she has some solutions, I think. All right, guys, so it's a good day. It's a good day. It's always a good day, right? Even the most terrible day is a good day, because we have an opportunity to fill out the divine plan. Yes, to be part of the solution. And we have the ability to create. And as long as we have breathing air, we have that ability. And that's a good thing. All right, I'm just going to walk over here just so you guys can get a view a little bit more of some of the leaves and stuff. And then I'm going to go inside because it's cold. So check out Mystic Sisters Live if you didn't join us last night. It was a good, about an hour, but it was a good hour. We talked about a lot of things. We pulled more cards than we usually do, but of course people have more questions than we usually do. Oh my God, there was just a deer in the neighbor's yard. I just scared him away. Let's see if we can see him. They're in and they're out so fast. All right, you can't really see him. I just saw the tail, So deer energy is quite a bit of movement around here. Sorry, I heard some noises. Deer energy, innocence, staying aware of your environment, keeping your ears open, the power of gentleness and innocence. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. And I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Take care. Much love. Namaste.